Hi friends, today I'm going to make a snow volcano. To do this experiment, you need a good pile of snow, baking soda in a cup or a bottle. You also need white vinegar, dish soap, and food coloring. I'm using red and yellow. Now I'm going to build my volcano. I'm going to create a small crater where I can place my cup. Now I think this is ready. I can put my cup with baking soda in it. Now let's prepare for our eruption mixture. Now I'm going to add some dish soap. Next, our food coloring. First, I'm gonna add some drops of red coloring. And then some yellow food coloring. Now, are you ready for the eruption? Now I'm going to pour vinegar into the cup of baking soda mixture. Enjoy watching the lava foam flow down the snow volcano. This is a fun and exciting experiment you can do with the kids this winter time. Thanks for watching!